Hello, welcome to Bianca's Creations once again. And today I'm going to be making slime. So first we're going to put some cornstarch, and then we're going to add water, and then we're going to add the food coloring, and then the glitter.
Okay, Bianca, go ahead and pour the cornstarch in there.
Okay, but how many?
You can go ahead, pour it in there.
But 4, right?
Just go ahead and pour it in. Don't be scared. That's enough.
Okay. Now the water.
Are you ready?
It's my first time. Now the food coloring, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, but how many?
What color is it, Bianca?
Blue.
Okay.
But how many? Mom?
You can drop maybe like 4 drops of blue.
Okay. No, I'm gonna count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now the glitter, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna add like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you mix it with your hands. How does it feel?
It still doesn't feel like slime.
Not yet.
No,
Try to lift it up with your hands.
it's too watery.
Can I put a little bit more of cornstarch in there? Mix it. Now it's beginning to feel like slime, or we need to add a little bit of water.
A little bit of water.
Okay. Oh, look, it looks like slime now.
Yeah, but a little bit more. Okay, that's good.
Wow. You made your own slime. Try to pick it up. Lift it up. Ew. Okay, what do you want to tell everyone, Bianca?
Okay, so bye. I was so happy I was be able to make this slime, but be careful because your mom teacher is gonna tell you not to eat it. It's not like cake, okay? So bye.